Yeah, so you run into data migration again. The junk in, junk out problem is a big deal when it comes to that. So you want to make sure that your data migration is clean. Not only do you run into a problem with maybe the materials not being correct that you're trying to bring into your new system. This is the same thing for customer. If you're bringing over customers, the addresses around the world, especially if you're a global company, are a mess. There's everybody uses a zip code. So yeah, so there's a lot of things you got to look at when it comes to different types of migration, and not only the data cleanliness, but also it's difficult to try to match up what a field is in the new system compared to what a field is in the old system. Make sure that's clean, make sure people understand what that's going to look like, and then writing the actual scripts to match that data. You can run into a ton of problems. You make one mistake on some type of transition form, all of a sudden your next field is all the data that you wanted in the previous field. So there's several things. I mean, test migrations are a big deal. You always want to run test migrations. You don't want to just say, I can do this once and be done with it. And because of that, you also need to make sure the migrations don't take a long time.